This agentic AI thing, yes, it is certainly buzzy with people like Andrew Ng, Bill Gates talking about it. Lots of corporations, like you say, trying to have that in as their word of the week or word of the month to fit into every conversation that they can. But it is a powerful thing. It's taking the LLMs, this generative AI thing that was the big story of last year of 2023, and allowing it to become ever more useful.
Now think about it is okay, so we're saying we believe in multi-agent systems. We believe the future is agentic, which is the corporate challenge of the week is try and use the word agentic in every meeting. It's going to be great. So the future is agentic. Many prominent figures have written about it. Andrew and Bill Gates. Many people are starting to talk about an agentic future and how these multi-agent systems are what AI might be. That's what the promise of AI might be. In order for us to have a viable protocol, we would need to have some agents on hand to be able to test that, right? To be able to make sure that our protocol does what it says it does. And so, Council Analytics having a really sophisticated agent that does, sophisticated things and has this testing suite associated with it, and a logging process that it's associated with, is really a good foundation for us to make sure that the Theoriq protocol is working well. So, all of it is a progression, and it's a story that's brought us to this point, and really excited to get feedback on it, because even just for me, looking in my feed, I'm starting to hear people talking about multi-agent systems, and I'm like, hey, we've been working on that. So it's quite cool that this is now becoming far more prominent and many people are interested in it. And there are aspects of cost analytics that really speak to the DNA of the company. So, for example, we set it up with a robust testing suite that we run on to see how the responses are reacting, right? And anytime you make a change to the system prompts, anytime you make a change to the model, etc., we have this testing suite that allows us to do really robust benchmarking, which it's totally a feature. And even now, speaking to clients, they really value that, because many of the other service providers just started tinkering, and many of them don't have a testing framework that they've set up. And if I put my educator hat on, I would say everybody needs to have a testing suite, and you can do it today, right? And setting up robust tests for your agents is responsible. It's part of responsible AI and responsible AI governance. And what you want to be testing for is, for maybe a predefined set of questions, how does your agent respond? And have those few shot examples of, okay, well, these are really good answers, and then run your tests constantly to see, as you make changes and updates, that your agent is behaving appropriately.